Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Fiverr affiliate program and maybe you're wondering, is it legit? Can you make money by promoting Fiverr services? Is this a good way for you to make money online, or are there better ways out there? Okay, now at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I will share that strategy with you. Now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them really good, some of them, so-so, some of them really bad though, okay? So let's check out the Fiverr affiliate program to find out whether this is a good way for you to make money, or maybe there are better ways out there, right? Now, Fiverr is basically a massive freelance website, right? You've probably heard of it before. You can come here, you can basically find all sorts of different freelancers in every area that you can think of: programming and tech, graphic design, logo making, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, AI services, music and audio. You get the idea, right? And you can find, hundreds and thousands of freelancers that will help you to do different things, and you just basically pay them a specific amount. So for example, like this guy right here, Corey, right? You can hire him to manage and grow your TikTok channel, right? For $30 is a 3-day trial. You can pay him $40 for 14 days, and premium would be $60 for 30 days. Okay, so just as an example, and you could buy from here. Now, what if you could actually promote their services to a group of people, and then Fiverr will pay you a little bit of commission because you're helping them to market their services? That would be pretty cool, right? A lot of people don't know that Fiverr has an affiliate program, okay? So if you come to Google and you just type out Fiverr affiliate program, you will see that it's the first result right here. Become a Fiverr affiliate, okay? You would click on that straight away and it would lead you to this page. All right, and this gives you a little bit more of a description on exactly what it is, right? Now, there are 3 things that you can promote. You can promote services, specific services. So if I wanted to, I could promote Corey's TikTok growth service right here specifically, and it's under the marketplace, okay? So you could promote specific things on the marketplace. The second thing you can promote is their logo maker, because Fiverr actually has a piece of software that's a logo maker, right? So you could promote that, make commissions from it, or you could promote their pro services. All right, now the pro services are a lot more expensive. They usually start at a few $100s. You can see here Corey's thing is pretty cheap. Basic is only $30, right? So commissions wise, you're not going to make as much money. But if you were to promote something in the pro, right, first of all, the commissions are much higher, okay? But their freelance talent in the pro section, they charge a lot more. It's usually hundreds of dollars for their actual services. So depending on your strategy, this might be a good thing for you to promote, right? Now, how much commissions can you make? Well, it depends on which one you join, okay? If you join the regular marketplace, it's 25% on the first order, 10% on future orders from that exact person for 12 months, for the next 12 months, okay? So it's a 10% revenue share, right? For the pro, it's actually 70% on the first order and then 10% on future orders. So I would probably go with pro, honestly. 70% is really, really high. Even at 25%, it's really, really high. Now, the reason why Fiverr can pay you such high commissions is because this is service-based, right? They're not actually selling any physical item, which is why I think this is a really cool affiliate program. Okay, essentially what you're doing is you're gonna be able to find people in any area that you want. So writing and translation, because there are a lot of companies and people that need writing and translation services. There are a lot of people that need digital marketing services. There are a lot of people that need to set up websites, programming and tech. A lot of people want logos, or a lot of people want banner design, right? So how do you promote these services? Well, basically what you would do is you would find an affiliate link for one of these people, right? For Corey, just an example, right? And once you join the affiliate program, you can get a very specific link, and when somebody buys from either the marketplace, you get 25% of the first order, which is pretty cool. Or if you promote pro people, it's a curated catalog of Fiverr's top freelance talent, you make 70%. Pretty cool stuff, okay? Now, Fiverr pays out over $100, so you have to make $100 in commissions, which is pretty good. I think you can get there pretty quickly, okay? And they pay out through PayPal and Payoneer, and they pay out once per month at the start of the month after a net of 30 days after the purchase has been made, okay? So if you did it in January, if the sale was made in January, they will pay you on the 1st of March, all right? Not February, but the 1st of March, over 30 days later, all right? So I think it's a pretty cool program, honestly. And let me give you some ideas on how you could do this, okay? So first of all, if you're brand new, all right, A couple of strategies that you can do is you could start a YouTube channel or you could start a TikTok channel, and you could talk about these things, and you could link these specific people to to their direct page. Okay, so for example, if you were on TikTok, you could talk about AI, you could talk about video animation, you could talk about writing and translation, and when those videos go viral, you could link on your link right below directly to a person that actually does that. So maybe it's Corey, for example, right? And then if people are interested in doing that, maybe it's a business owner that sees it, or maybe it's an individual that wants something specific in that specific area. They will click on it, they'll see, you know, whoever's profile, they would click on it, they would buy their services, and then you would generate a commission. That's kind of how it would work, right? Or you could create YouTube videos, right? Or you could have an Instagram account, okay? But you have to understand that if you're a beginner, this will take a little bit of time, okay? Another strategy that you can implement is you can go after businesses. Like you could basically use Google to go and search for businesses all over the world. They might be cafes, they might be consultancies, they might be hair salons, and you could find their email address and email them directly and offer them specific services. Maybe it's a graphic design service, or maybe it's a, you know, Instagram marketing service, for example, to promote their brand, to get them more customers, right? A little bit more work doing that, but it's a very viable strategy if you're a beginner. And because the program pays out so much, 70%, it can be pretty lucrative. I mean, if they were to hire someone to build that blog for them for $500, you would make 70% commission on that. That is really good, okay? For you doing nothing, you didn't spend any money doing it. And I think this is a great way. And you know, I've reviewed so many affiliate programs on this channel. I think Fiverr is definitely one of the better ones out there, because, you know, on the marketplace alone, 25%, and on the pro 70%. It's really, really good, and you can choose specific people. That's what I like about it. Okay, now if you're already an influencer and you've got a huge following, right, then it's even easier for you, because you can just speak to your following and you can recommend different services, different people, and when they buy from you, you can make these big commissions right here. So I have, you know, the Fiverr affiliate program's got my stamp of approval. If you want to check it out, okay, I would just head over here, Fiverr affiliate program, click on become a Fiverr affiliate, right, and you would come here and you click on join now, and then you would fill in all the details right here to sign up, and then you would get access to your Fiverr affiliate back office, where you can start grabbing links of specific people like this, right, and then you can promote it on all your social media or to your following. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the Fiverr affiliate program. I think it's pretty cool. Obviously it's going to require you to put in a little bit of work, but if you do that, I think that you could do quite well with this. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to generate a lot of income. Right now on this channel, I've reviewed so many different strategies to do that, okay? Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. Now, Fiverr is a pretty cool way. Unfortunately, Fiverr doesn't teach you the strategy on how to do that, okay? So out of all the good strategies that I've learned, there's one strategy that I think that an absolute beginner that has never made money online has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Okay, now if you would like to check out that strategy for free, click the link below. I've got a free masterclass you can check out. It's going to show you how to do this step by step. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Fiverr affiliate program. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.